Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Charlie Trainer from Syncercize.com. This is Charlene. We're going to do a circuit here. We're going to start off with step-ups on the bench, and we're going to switch to preacher curls, and then we're going to finish off with some agility jumps on that bench. And ready when you are. She's going to exhale up, inhale down, and rinse and repeat. Today we're going to shoot for anywhere between 10 to 12. How you feeling?
Great.
Good. Let's get two more. That's it. Go ahead and switch sides. Good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't be afraid to use a smaller step or a higher step if your fitness level should necessitate that. You can do these with anything: bench, step, stone. And that's good. Okay, so she's gonna place this ball here on the bench. She's gonna get nice and stable. She's gonna come over the top of it just a little bit more to get a straighter extension on that arm. And all the way down. She's going to exhale as she comes up, get a quick hold, inhale down, exhale up. Good. 3. Once again, your reps are always going to be determined by whatever your skill level may be, or whatever your goal may be. If you're looking for size, strength, or toning. You got 5 more in there?
Yep.
Good. 2. And 1 more. Good. Go ahead and switch sides. You want to try and get as much separation, or as much as close to the ball as you can with your body. 6. Halfway right there. And let's get 1 more. That's good right there. Pop that stuff off, and let's get some agility jumps in. She's going to place her hands firmly on the bench, jump side to side. Right here, we're just trying to get that heart rate up, get her heart pumping a little bit. That's it. Keep it up. Almost there. You got 5 seconds. And stop.